I don't want to copy all of this here, here, and here. This is going to work, and I don't know if you see the difference now, but I think my code is slower and the colors are not symmetrical now. I can do it in another way. I will delete all those copies of the code choosing a color. And what I'm going to do instead is also I'm going to delete all those 3 fireworks. And now I'm going to execute this code not for x from 0 to 20, but instead for x from -20 to +20. If you are scared by these numbers, please don't be. You know that in the winter the temperatures are becoming such a negative numbers, and those numbers mean that we will need a lot of degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit to go above the 0. And if we add such negative numbers to x400 or y300, what we are going to get is a result smaller than 400 or smaller than 300. And I can see that my code now is working, I think. I don't know if you like it, but it's doing kind of the same thing, just nothing is symmetrical now. And this is just one way to do it. Another way to do it will be if I start counting from 0 to 40 for x and for y, and try to think of a way to change these formulas here so that not element 0, 0 is at 400, 300, but instead, if I run it like this, element 0, 0 is at the center at 400, 300, but instead I need to subtract something for this x and from this y, so that I get a different numbers depending of how much is the distance, so that the x's and y's before 20 are to the left or in the up direction. Try to change this yourself, and if you aren't scared from negative numbers, you should also try my previous code. If you are small and haven't learned about negative numbers, there is easy way, and that's what I want you to do. Just use x from 0 to 40.